All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the US Nasdaq, the top 100 companies. So first, he's going to start with the monthly time frame. Looking at here, we can identify a strong, what we call a support, support levels here. As you can see, the last time price came to this price range, you can see price broke here and went for a straight bullish run. Right now, we're in a bearish structure, looking at a price failed to break past this resistance, and as you can see here, so yeah, price broke this, tested it twice, first time, second time, and we saw a bullish drop here. Okay, now looking at the weekly time frame. So put that here. So on a weekly, we can identify, obviously price has been respectful. The market has been respectful this price range, which is the 10,000. The last time price touched it, went down, touched it, went up, and came, touched it, went up again. So we can see that this key level price is very, very important here. So what I'll be expecting for the market doing in the next coming days or weeks is price coming to this level here and touching this price range, which I can see price doing that. And obviously we have minor minor resistance here. So as we're already in a bearish structure, the market has been hit with a lot of news recently about inflation, war, and all these things. So the market is really, really not in our favor at the moment. So looking at the daily time frame, as you can see, the market has already touched this. So market already came up and came down here and touched this resistance and dropped down a little bit. So I would be looking through the zone here, as there could be a lot of consolidation coming in the upcoming in the next few days, or price could either break past, as you can see, a little resistance here. The price could either break past this resistance here and drop, break past the support zone on the monthly, weekly time frame, come retest and drop down more, which is very, very interesting. That I'll be it would take a lot of news and a lot of market variables that would cause a lot of chaos to cause it. So right now, I believe we're in a very, very, very interesting place in terms of the market. As looking at the Nasdaq, so I would be expecting some few consolidation from this range here. I'll be expecting a few consolidations range here before we can see any sort of ideal movement in terms of price breaking this structure here, testing and going up and testing the last resistance before this bearish structure happens. So I'll be interested to see how price reacts, since price broke past the neckline of this bearish structure. So yeah, these are my understanding of the market so far, looking at the monthly, weekly, and daily time frame, since we had a head and shoulders pattern before price broke down. So as I said, I would be looking at the market very closely here to understand if price could see a continuation downwards in terms of not breaking past this support level, which is a very, very key support range, as I would like to um you know key support. So key support range, and obviously we have the resistance here. So all we gotta do is be very, very paying attention to the market in terms of seeing what news are coming out this week. Traders, it's the COT report in terms of like what traders are looking at in terms of are they more more biased to the position, or are they taken away from the position in terms of cutting their profits or their losses or whatever the market is showing us in terms of direction wise. So I would be very, very, very interested to see how the market reacts to these, especially these areas. This area here, these two areas, I'll be very, very interested to see how market reacts. As we can see, liquidity had to be had to be collected since there was a lot left here, which already has been and even tested it to form a bearish structure. However, I still believe there could be a change in direction based on monthly time frame. Since the last time we touched the support range, there was a bullish run. So, however, due to heavy news and serious stuff happening in the world, you never know how in the market. So over here, we don't predict the market. We read the market, see what it's saying to us, and then we adapt and work our way around it in order to not, because we can never beat the market. We just work with the market. Always remember that, guys. You can never beat the market. So therefore, as I say, if the saying goes, if you can't beat them, join them. So therefore, the market can never be beaten. So all you have to do is understand how the market works and join it by working with and around with the market in order to not accumulate and any huge losses. So yeah, that is my analysis. This is quite a short video to kind of break down what is the current structure of the Nasdaq US Nash 100 companies. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning once again. It's your boy FMA. Any comments, any suggestions, guys, drop it below in the comments. Let me know what you think. If you think the market could change direction, if you think there's more continuation to the downside, if you think market is going to go up and drop more, let me know what you think, guys. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Your boy's out. Peace.